energy and the attitude with which you approach a problem. You will not always have the answers, but what we are looking for is tenacity, your ability to structure and come up to the challenge.
The most important thing is to have fun, be confident, enjoy the process, and in that journey, you will see your best coming out.
So proud to be associated with it, and Accenture, we will always be in the forefront of ensuring the aspirations of B-School students are addressed, and we bring a forum for them to express what they do the best every day.
First phase is all about ensuring that our customer is accustomed to the technology journey, and especially we really want to thank Accenture for such an amazing opportunity, and special thanks to Piyush for such an amazing guide.
The market presence as well as ensure that its future is safe. Really the best experience that I've had, especially taking a sector which was quite challenging and kind of a proper consulting problem with developing a roadmap. It was a great experience, and thank you.
To expand across the ecosystem to make use of the adjacencies.
Incredible 50-day journey for us, I think. We learned a lot, we had a lot of fun, and I think we have the entire organizing team to thank for it. And of course, Harish sir for his invaluable guidance.
Medicines and a subsidy, we're again looking at goodwill among medical communities as well.
Just echoing all thoughts, it's been a great 2 days of networking and learning from everyone here. Thank you Accenture for this wonderful opportunity.